name is Timothy.
Timothy.
Ahamefula.
Okay. Timothy Ahamefula.
Yeah.
Okay, nice name.
Okay. Let me just say 15 years now.
15 years now.
Yeah.
How have you been seeing the shoe manufacturing product progress?
Okay, by progress, it's moving. The challenges we have here is just materials and the things costly and so that is our challenge.
Okay. And what do you think the government can do to help make the materials more available to you?
Okay, the thing I want the government to do for us so that the thing will help us. So let government look into all those things, maybe those importers and also the company that manufacture the materials, so that they will, help us the materials to be less cost price. So that will help us do more.
Okay. This is a sole, right?
Yeah.
This sole, 15 years ago, can you just remember how much we are buying it and now? Is there much increase in it?
Yeah, there are much increase. Like before, let me say that 15 years ago, we can buy this before we are then 18 naira.
18 naira for one.
Yes, for 117 naira. But now, from 400, sometimes it's reduced 20 naira, sometimes it's add 100 naira. But at the stand now, it's 300 naira.
300 naira.
Yes, from it was 400 before. Before situations, issue of bad markets, then make them to reduce. Okay. Now I have heard that they will still increase it to that 400 naira.
Alright. What's up, amazing people? Thank you so much for always coming back to watch our video. We are still in the shoe manufacturing industry in Aba, Enyimba City. So please stay tuned on this video and please don't forget to give this video a like, share the video, and also leave a comment on what you think after watching this video. And if you are new on this channel, I like the kind of video you watch here, please consider subscribing, turn on the bell notification so that YouTube will always notify you once we upload a new video. Let us get into this video.
Willing.
So I've ime shoe na here na ono kegu. That means before I make a particular shoe, you bela nwere ono ka na which is ofu ya ga no kata Chinese. This business, who are the people benefiting more from it? Is it
It is the masses.
Okay.
It is the masses that benefit more on it, based on the fact that after production, they will use it. It's a finished product, so they are the final consumers according to economics.
Okay.
Do you understand me?
Yeah.
So they should be the one to benefit more, not we that are producing it.
Okay.
You understand?
So it's been like you people are just the engines that produce and
Thank you. That is the thing.
Okay. And one of these pairs of shoe, how much does it go?
That is where the problem lies. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
You know we sell in quantity. You understand? There are retailers out there, so we don't. When we finish our production, we just calculate the amount that we use in producing. You can attach 50 naira, you can attach 100 naira, and then use it to sell.
Okay.
And so as a result, it will make it to come low. So that by the time the quantity buyers comes to buy, they will go out there and then discriminate it, hand it over to people that needed to go into the communities, sell it to the people, and then make their turn.
Yeah.
Are you getting it?
Yeah.
So that will be.
So there's no making more profit.
Yeah, no. There is no more profit for us here.
The people reselling are making more than you people.
Yes, the retailers make more profit. You understand? Okay, take for instance, the quantity price of this thing is at 1,400.
1,400.
That is a quantity price. Now tell me, how much will I make from it after production? After I must have bought ton more. You understand? How much do I make? How much do you think I make? Are you getting what I'm saying? Okay, let me show you another thing. Like this thing here now. This is the soap for this one. I bought this soap 400 like.
Exclusively.
Then
Just one piece or a pair?
A pair.
Left and right?
Yes. Now, you now talk about this. The upper. The material I bought a yard 3,500. Then you divide it by 10. How much?
So you get 10 pairs
From the yard. This one. You understand? Then how much do you think I am making from it?
And those
When
are
you
not the only
divide it,
materials you
and
get.
it's not the only materials. This thing, the market soul I talked about is content here. Is here. That is why here is for me. Are you getting it? Before you cover it with what we call fiber. This one that sounds this way.
Okay.
Are you getting it? Even though that some might decide to use paper.
Okay, some people use paper to cut cost of production.
Are you getting it? And so you work according to, you understand, the price you are selling it. So that is it.
Okay.
But why don't you brand it your name?
Yes.
Why is it
Instead of
foreign
using this,
brand? You brand it with Gucci. Why don't you put Aba Made or your name, your own brand?
Okay. What you advise is good. But just like what I was telling you earlier, that is a division of labor.
Okay.
Like now, I am into production. When I take it to the people that stamped this thing, it is the one they have that they will stamp.
Oh, not what
So
you told
when
them.
you tell them to do a particular one for you, you have to pay extra for it. So paying extra means that you have
More
to prepare
cost.
your own mold.
Yeah.
Are you getting it? So when you prepare your own mold, they will use it to be stamped for you.
okay, there is
Which
something
will
they call
cost,
mold.
yes, which will cost more money. Are you getting it? So when you look at the whole thing, you now discover it is something that you cannot afford easily. You will leave it. So that is the problem.
Okay.
So have you now seen why we don't put our name at times? Some of them that has the money can afford it. They can work on it.
Like some people actually put their name.
Yes. So that is it.
All right.
This is Nora, the downward. We have cut it already. This is the hill. We have knocked it already. That's called the Nora walk, the downward. And this is called Madame Hill shoe. We want to copy Madame Hill shoe. This is the seats, and this is the upward. So to couple it, this is called shank. I want to put inside it. It's an iron.
Okay.
This is an iron. We have bent it already. Put it in the normal size to set it. All we need to do, we have rubbed this chemical. It's called raw chemical to couple it. All we need to do is to go to the fire and the work starts. Okay, that is it. Put this one first and bend it. carry the iron work, put and set it. All I need to do is to piece it normal and have the one and go back to fire. And this one goes to the fire again. The major one, this has to go to fire very well so it will heat so that it can bend normally. All I need to do is to piece this one.
So far, if you are enjoying this video, please don't forget to give this video a like, share the video, and also subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification so that you'll be the first to notified once we upload more interesting videos. See you in the next episode. Stay tuned and let's keep watching. It's done now. So this one is called Madam Shoe.
Madam Hill.
Madam Hill. So that means almost all the shoes on your
Yes, that is pointed.
Okay.
That is flat.
So if I get you right, all these ones you've done here, that iron not chapahani then.
Yes, all of them. All of them. Every madam you carry it. Every pointed carry it. Glass you pointed carry it.
Thank you, sir.